Hey guys, so today I'm here with the Dirty Dog 4x4 Safari Sunscreen, fitting all 2018 and up 4-door JL Wranglers. So everybody loves enjoying that open air driving experience. However, the sun can be pretty overbearing while the top is off of your Wrangler, and so can the wind. So a sunscreen is a perfect solution to just that. This is going to protect you, your interior, as well as your passengers from those harmful UV rays, as well as that excessive wind noise. This is going to be very durable and last a very long time, making this a good investment, being that this is made of PVC coated nylon mesh material. It also has reinforced edges as well as nylon straps to make sure it keeps its shape over time. So this is going to be roughly $130, and in my personal opinion, that is a pretty good price point for what you're getting out of this package. Now, other options on the page are going to be similarly designed to this with how they look. Some other options will attach with bungee cords, and they can lose your shape over time, and this one is not going to do that. Nonetheless, this is compatible with a hard top as well as a soft top for all of you owners out there who want the choice on which one to run. So install is going to be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You're not going to need any tools. You're only going to need an hour's worth of your time. So speaking of the install, let's jump into that now. So to start off this install, we're just going to make sure that our screen is facing the right way. You want the Dirty Dog label down at the bottom. That's going to be facing the rear of our Jeep. Then we can throw this over and start attaching our front attachment points. So now we're going to take our front strap and pass that through our windshield. There's going to be a pass-through point here. You may need to get your sunscreen or your sun visor out of the way. But this is just going to lay right onto the windshield. So now we can pass this above our sun visor and around our roll bar, and pass this through the back of our buckle and then down over top. Now I do like how these are stitched. They're stitched exactly how the strap would be facing, so this is going to prevent any wrinkles in your actual sunscreen. So we can just move down the line. This one's pretty easy. This just goes around your roll bar. Then we can pass this one down around our soundbar, up and around. Then we can move to our rearmost strap. So now we're going to take this back rear portion. Our long strap is going to go around our roll bar underneath our seatbelt here. And then we're going to bring that back up and buckle that down as normal. Now we're not going to tighten down anything just yet. We do have to attach the other side, and then we'll be able to tighten everything down evenly. So we can just repeat this process on the other side, sending our front strap down behind our windshield. We're going to move our sun visor out of the way. You should be able to see it come down. We're going to grab it, pull it under and over our sun visor and around our roll bar. Then we can just repeat that same process moving down the line. I'm going to pass this one down through the other side, around this portion of our roll bar, and then buckle it the same. Now you can start to kind of snug these up. This point, now we can move backwards. Now we can just go around and make sure that all of our straps are tight. Now we're just going to continue to tighten these straps down. So after everything's tight, it should lay flat and you're all set to go. So that's gonna wrap it up for my quick review and install. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos like this, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.